Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, at the first you have to open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon and then click and hold it to open the Bluetooth settings. Do the same on the second device that you want to connect. Click right here, tap on Bluetooth and click to pair new device. Right now the smartphone is looking for other devices, so just be patient and wait. We are aiming on the Huawei P30 Pro. And here it is, so just tap on the device that you want to connect. Accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see, right now, devices are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.